Welcome to D2 Trailer Sales. My name is Ryan and I'm going to show you this 2-horse Exiss XT model. So what it means is it's going to have the extruded aluminum skin down low on both sides. So it's nice and heavy duty instead of having just aluminum sheeting. The aluminum sheeting could possibly scratch on the other models, whereas this is a lot heavier duty and more rugged. So on the head side of this trailer, we're going to have drop down windows. You're also going to have some running boards, aluminum wheels, looking at the back, you're going to have a 60-40 door setup. So that is 60% and then 40%. This is the tack door, and then this is your rear door going into the horse area. So this one has the rear tack option on it. Swing it open. This is a collapsible rear tack. So you can collapse it down if you need to, if you're hauling some bigger horses or maybe decide to haul a golf cart or anything like that. The front saddle rack can actually mount in this back position right here, giving you more space up front, and it's also easier to be able to get your saddles off and put it directly on your horse. Have these nice double walled doors. Rear window on the right side. Walk on in. This trailer, we added the airflow divider, which allows the air from the first stall to get pushed through the second stall, which will also give you more airflow through both stalls. You're gonna have a nice LED light on the butt side. Easy latch system. And then this trailer actually has what's called Easy Care flooring. So you don't need to use shavings if you don't want to, and your horse's urine actually goes out underneath from the trailer, and all you gotta do is come in and hose it out and you're good to go. This trailer is an aluminum frame and structure, aluminum skin, aluminum floor. So very lightweight, won't rust. You do have locks on both the latches as well. LED lights around the whole trailer. Sliding butt windows. Got your tack door, and walking on inside the tack. Here's that saddle rack that you can move to the back position if you need to, and they are fully adjustable. Bridle hooks, blanket bar, brush box, and then you got a spare tire. You do have space to be able to put a water tank in this back corner. Again, this is the 2-horse XT model with the rear tack option. Give us a call if you have any questions.